Good morning, students.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
teacher.
teacher.
Good morning. How y'all doing?
We are doing good,
Good.
teacher.
Good.
Okay, great to hear that. All right. Can anyone guess what is today's topic is going to be on?
Not sure, teacher.
No, teacher.
No idea?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, my dear.
Okay. I'll be showing a poster and I'll be explaining on today's topic. Okay, hold on. Just give me a moment. Okay. Can everyone see this poster?
Yes, teacher. Can.
Yes, teacher.
Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Can, right?
Yes,
Alright.
teacher, can.
So today's topic is going to be keep clean, keep green. Okay, what do you all think that keeping clean and keeping green is all about? What do you think? Is it necessary? Is it an important thing?
Necessary.
It is very important,
Necessary.
teacher.
Yes, it is very,
Yes.
very, very important because we as a individual, we as a human being we are responsible to do so that our environment and our world will be clean and green. Okay? And
Okay, teacher.
I will roughly explain on this poster what is this poster is about. Okay, first of all, what you can do to keep your earth clean and green is that you use less plastic. Okay, students, you use less
Yes.
plastic. Minimize the usage of plastic. And then you use biofuel. Biofuel, what is biofuel? Can anyone tell me what is biofuel?
The energy that we can reuse, it's
Okay.
energy that we can reuse again. For an
Okay,
example,
yes.
like, yeah.
Okay, correct. Alicia, good. That is correct. And you also can say it in a way that it is animal waste. It is from animal waste or the materials from animal waste. Okay, which is like
teacher.
more less harmful than the normal fuel. Okay, then third would be recycle. So I believe everyone knows about recycle, right? Recycle
Yes,
is
teacher,
something
yes.
that we have been learning since small. Yes, we've been learning since small. We've been practicing since small. We've been practicing on how to recycle and what are the objects that needs to be recycled. Yeah, right?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Then the fourth step would be two-sided printing. So what is two-sided printing, students?
Is it the paper? When we photostat, we need to print two sides? Both sides?
Yes, correct. So two-sided printing is like you don't print
We
in
don't waste.
one single pages. Yes, you don't waste the paper. You make use of both the pages, both the sides of the paper. Okay? So when you print
Okay,
this
teacher.
side, you make use of the another side also. So that is what we call two-sided printing. So these are the minimal things that we as a human can do to actually keep our earth and our planet clean and green. Okay? Below, I've even
Okay, teacher.
written there a motto that you say, save earth, save our future. So when you keep your earth clean, that is for us, for our future, for our better future, we keep our earth clean. Is that clear, students?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher. It's
teacher.
clear, teacher.
Yeah. Okay. So our next lesson is going to be on listening.
Lesson now is going to be based on listening. So for that, I'm going to read a text for you all. Have you all still remember what you all were studying just now? I mean about the topic just now.
Yes,
It's
teacher.
about our nature.
Yeah, it's about our environment, how to
Yeah.
keep our environment clean. So I'm going to read for you all a text based on water pollution. So once after I've ended my reading, I'm going to text test you all how you all understand and listen to this topic just now. So I'm going to test by giving you all a quiz, a very short quiz. Okay.
Okay,
Teacher.
teacher.
Wait a second. Huh? So now we're going to see what is water pollution. Water pollution is when waste, chemical, or other particles cause a body of water, like rivers, oceans, and lakes, to become harmful to the fish and animals that need the water to survive. Water pollution can disrupt and negatively impact nature's water cycle as well. So, how does natural causes of water pollution happen? Sometimes water pollution can occur through natural causes like volcanoes, algae blooms, animals' waste, and silt from storms and floods. Okay, how does human causes of water pollution? A lot of water pollution comes from human activity. Some human causes include sewage, pesticides, and fertilizers from farms, wastewater, and chemicals from factories, silt from construction sites, and trash from people littering. This is how human causes of water pollution. So you all have any questions for now? Can understand what I'm reading, right?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
So
Yes,
good.
teacher can.
So I'm going to explain one by one. Okay, oil spills. You all know what is oil spills?
No.
Yes, teacher. Like is it like the big ships they throw the oils in the sea?
All right. Let me explain you. Some of the most
Okay.
famous incidents of water pollution have been oil spills. One was the Exxon Valdez oil spill, which occurred when an oil tanker hit a reef off the coast of Alaska and over 11 million gallons of oil spilled into the ocean. Another bad oil spill was the Deepwater Horizon oil spill when an explosion at an oil well caused over 200 million gallons to spill into the Gulf of Mexico. So that is oil spills. And you all know about acid rains, for sure.
Yes,
You
Yes.
sir.
all know,
Yes.
right?
Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
What causes acid rain?
Usually the open burning.
Okay. Air pollution can also have a direct effect on water pollution. When particles like sulfur dioxide get high into the air, they can combine with rain to produce acid rain. Acid rain can turn lakes acidic, killing fishes and other animals. So, last but not least, I'm going to share with you all effects on the environment. So, water pollution can have disastrous effect on the environment. Pollution in the water can reach a point where there isn't enough oxygen in the water for the fish to breathe. The fish can actually suffocate. Sometimes pollution affects the entire food chain. Small fishes absorb pollutants such as chemicals into their bodies. The bigger fishes eat the smaller fishes and get the pollutants too. Birds or other animals may eat the bigger fishes and be harmed by the pollutants. One example of this was the use of the insecticide bug killer DDT, we call that. So when birds of prey ate fishes that were infected with it, they would lay eggs with thin shells. So the population of the of birds of prey begin to drop until was banished. So sewage can also cause major problems in rivers. Bacteria in the water will use oxygen to break down the sewage. If there is too much sewage, the bacteria could use up so much oxygen that won't be enough left for the fish. So water pollution from major events like acid rains or oil spills can completely destroy marine habitat. So that's all for the water pollution text. So now I'm going to share with you all the quiz link so you all can try to do that. Okay, okay, so girls, you all can open the link that I've sent you all and start the quiz now. Water pollution is by farm animals. So all of you can do that.
Yes, yes, teacher.
Done, teacher.
Okay.
Water pollution.
So can you all comment me your marks in the chat box?
Sure, teacher.
Okay.
I'm still doing, teacher. Give me some time.
Okay, sure. Okay, Alicia got 6 over 10. Good. And then Kavita got 5 over 10 and Jacinta also get 5 over 10. So
Yes,
it's just
teacher.
a quick
Teacher,
quiz for you all.
I
Test,
cannot submit my answer.
who's that?
Me, Vaishu. I'm
Okay.
clicking the submit button, but still cannot submit.
Okay. It's okay, never mind.
I'm still in the first question. Okay.
Okay, so it's just a quick test to test you all. How is your skills in listening? So your marks shows that how much you understand the text that I've read to you all just now. Okay, so For the last part, can I ask you all something? From the text that I've read just now, can anybody list 5 adjectives
Sorry, teacher.
that
I
you
can't
will
hear you.
remember? Just let me know 5 adjectives that I've read just now from the text that I've read just now. Can anyone?
Hmm.
Okay, so did you all know what is adjective? Okay, it's a word naming an attribute of a noun, such as like sweet, red, like that. So I hope you all have listened the words in the sentence in the text just now.
Hmm.
So what about the vocabularies that I've read just now in the text? Can you
Volcano,
all?
teacher.
Okay, yes, good. Some more?
Fish, open burning, oil spill.
Okay. Okay, so good. That are the vocabularies from the text. So in our text, we have included some adjectives and vocabularies and all that. So hope you all can understand what is water pollution. Can you all understand?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
So what you
teacher.
have to do for prevent the water pollution after this? Just a quick point.
We should not throw anything in the river, or we should not waste the water. We should save more water, and we should not spill any oil or throw any waste in the water.
Yeah, okay, good.
So students, the next activity is going to be on speaking test. So teacher will be testing your speaking abilities. And before that, I will be showing you all a video. And let's watch the video first. Then I will explain and I will tell you all what to do next. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, this is the video. Can everyone see the video, students?
Yes, teacher, we can
Yes,
see.
teacher.
All right. Okay, see carefully. Watch the video carefully. Okay, how to keep the environment clean. That is what our video is going to be about. Since our today's topic is to keep clean and
How
keep
to
green,
keep the
right?
environment clean. As a citizen, you can play the right role to control maximum pollution by following a few of easy steps that starts from your home. You can discover different ways to keep the environment clean, green, and healthy.
So these are the steps for you to keep your environment clean and green. While watching the video, you can mute yourself first. Then later, when teacher asks the question, you can unmute yourself.
You can buy appliances that are not only environment friendly but energy efficient too. One of the best ways to conserve electricity is by switching off all the lights and appliances when not in use. You can wash your clothes in a washing machine using both warm and cold water instead of using hot water. Try solar power for heating water instead of an electrical appliance. You can drive your car less and acquire other means of transportation instead. Many countries recommend repairing of leaking air condition of your car that adversely destroys the upper layer of ozone atmosphere. You must also be careful while filling your car with gas and see that it doesn't spill off the tank.
Yes, teacher.
You can also use motor oil that is energy efficient. Wood stove tend to generate excess smoke into the air, which is harmful for the health of your entire family. Instead, you can cook food on energy-efficient appliances that promises low cost and quick cooking too. It is the need of an ecosystem to have good interaction with green plants, organisms, and animals in a healthy environment. These three helps to keep the entire ecosystem healthy and alive for many years together. It is due to excessive air pollution and global warming that the entire ecosystem is negatively affected today. With a little change in your daily lifestyle, you can definitely help to protect the entire planet with its ecosystem in a healthier way. It is always advisable to eliminate maximum household chemicals and pesticides that directly pollute the green environment. Instead, you can make your own solutions for cleaning purpose using distilled vinegar, lemon, and baking soda. There are many green cleaning products available in the market that is environmentally friendly, and conventional cleaners too. Many waste products like glass, plastics, aluminum, and paper can be recycled instead of being disposed off in the dustbin. This will prevent any air pollution accumulated on burning these products. You can also use reusable towels and reusable bags rather than using disposable plastics or bags. There are many ways to cut back carbon footprints causing excess air pollution. You can lower the temperature of your water heater, wash dishes manually instead of using a dishwasher, reduce the use of air conditioner or heater, and buy energy-efficient lights to lower the energy consumption and heat generation level. Planting of the food locally helps in reducing the overall commercial transportation of food items that require pesticides and preservatives to preserve them. These preservatives directly pollute the air. It is also a proven fact that organic food is more sustainable than the one which is preserved using harmful pesticides and chemicals, thereby causing harm to the entire global ecosystem.
It's always good to grow your own food.
It is always a better option to reduce the usage of contaminants and toxic materials at home. A healthy environment begins from your home. You must also take care to dispose off all the waste material in a proper way rather than simply disposing them off in the bins. Try not to throw away trash or waste materials almost anywhere in and around your house. You must try to dispose off biodegradable as well as non-biodegradable wastes in a proper way and avoid littering it all over your home environment. Any excess air or water pollution can negatively affect you and your family's health, while destroying the entire environment globally. With environmental issues like water contamination, pollution, and climate change, it's natural to look for ways we can reverse the damage to our planet and keep our environment clean. Many of us think we're too small to make a difference, but when enough of us take action, we've seen the positive results we can create.
So that's all for the video. And yeah, as what it says in the video, the change starts from us. So we have to be responsible enough. We as an individual have to be responsible enough to make a change. Like for example, you make your own food, you grow your own food. You don't use plastic, or even if you use recycled plastics. And then all the examples that they give, like all the steps that they have given in the videos are very, very crucial. So as an individual, it is very important for us to take note of it. And also from the video, can any one of y'all tell me, there are few vocabularies in the video. As y'all watched it carefully, there are few vocabularies here and there. So any one of y'all can list me what are the vocabularies, students?
Me, teacher.
Okay, who is that?
Me, Jacinta here.
Jess, okay. Okay, tell me what is your, what you have listed out.
Ecosystem.
Yes, correct. Okay, some more?
Fossil fuel,
Some more,
teacher.
who else can tell me?
Fossil fuel.
Yes, what?
Fossil fuel.
Yes, correct. Some more. Can anyone tell me some more?
Friendly.
Yes, that's the major one, environmental friendly. And anyone think there's anything else?
Illness.
Pesticides?
Pesticides, teacher. Pesticides.
Yes. So these are all, yes, correct. So these are all very little that we can take from the video. But beyond that, teacher will be also giving you all an activity. So there will be a debate of, I will show you the topic, and I will divide you all into two groups. So I want you all to, I want to divide you all into two groups, and one group consists of 2 members. So
Okay.
each 2 of you goes to one group. So here we have 4 of you, right? So
Yes, teacher.
2 of you goes to group 1, another 2 of you goes to group 2. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Clear? So it is gonna be this way. So each one group will be given a topic to debate about, one being the affirmative and the other being the opposite team. So your topic is going to be on, okay, let me tell you. Group 1, okay. Group 1 will be disposable plastic items should be banned. So who's going to be in group 1?
Me.
Me, teacher.
Okay, so it's going to be Jacinta and Vaishu. Okay. So group 2, your topic is going to be reusable plastic can be troublesome too. So why it is this way is because disposable plastic is the main topic. So when you go opposite to this, which is reusable, right? Just now, as teacher told you, you can reuse the product, you can reuse the plastic, which we call it as recycle. So when you use reusable plastic, that can be troublesome too. So the opposite team is going to be telling me what is the cons, and the main team is going to be telling me what is the pros of disposable plastic. Clear, students?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Shall we start now? I'll be giving you all a 5 minutes time. Is that enough?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher, it's enough.
And a quick one, and a clear one, like straight to the point. A quick one. I just want to see. Okay, so You can start now.
Yes, teacher, can.
As many points as you can. It's okay if you can't think of many points, but as long as 1-2 points which is clear enough and straight to the straight to related to what I've asked the question, then it's good enough. Okay, students.
Yes, teacher.
All right.
Okay. Teacher, can I start?
Yes, you can. So
Teacher,
you all can start. Yeah. Tell me,
okay.
Jason.
Plastic bags must be banned because you see there's lots of birds are dying because of plastics. They are eating it and then it can't digest, and then like some birds I got seen TV national no something Discovery Channel. I don't know my father put which channel. Okay, I saw they eat the cover of the bottle,
Bottle
and then
covers, is it? Okay,
yeah,
okay.
and then they are like eating the plastic, because when we throw everywhere they die because of that.
Yeah.
That is my point. Plastic bag must be banned.
Okay, that's a good point. Okay, Alicia,
Yes,
you can
teacher.
tell me your point opposite to why reusable plastics should be can be troublesome too.
So sometimes, teacher, reusable plastic will be troublesome because reusable plastic some people use, and when the other use it back, it contains a lot of chemical. So chemical things are not good to use for human beings, especially because when we put something such as vegetables, food, everything will contain chemical things. So when we consume it, it will bring a bad impact in our health as well. So for me, it's not good to reuse a plastic bag. Reusable plastic bag, it's not good. So that is my point, teacher.
Okay, great, Alicia. That's a good point too. Then we shall go with Vaishu.
Teacher, based on my point, most of the plastic bags is made of polypropylene, which is a material manufactured from petroleum and natural gas, and which is not really good. And also, plastic bags are toxic. The plastic bags are filled with toxic, harmful chemicals that includes estrogen-like substance. So plastic bags should be banned, teacher.
Okay, great, Vaishu. Good job. Let's go with Kavita. Tell me your point, Kavita.
So teacher, as my team member Alicia was told, since the reusable plastic contain the chemicals, so it will be cause air pollution, or as we learned before this, it will cause water pollution also when we dispose in the wrong way. So when we dispose, example, we dispose in the river, it will cause the fish or the plants in the river will use the chemical, or they will use the chemical, and it will cause a harm for them, and the fish that we are eating as a human, so the conversion of the chemical from the fish will convert it to the human being also.
So well done. Okay, whatever points that you've given me is super good. I appreciate it, and I really appreciate all your effort on coming out with these points. Kudos to all four of you. Good try. Okay. In conclusion of this debate, what I would like to say is that everything has two sides. Every source has two sides. Every object has two sides. Same goes to disposable plastic and reusable plastics. So if you know how to use it, it's good enough. You should know the pros and cons, and you as an individual must know how to use it, must know how to keep your environment clean, keep your nature clean, keep your surrounding clean. And you as an individual must know what is your responsibility as an individual, as a human being, on keeping the environment clean. All right. So, yeah.
Okay, students, I'm going to recap on today's lesson. Okay, first of all, can you recall today's vocabularies?
Yes, teacher. Fossil fuel,
Okay,
environmental, friendly environmental,
okay. How about other students?
Ecosystem.
Okay, yes, ecosystem. Then?
Ecosystem. Pesticide.
Uh-huh.
illness.
Sorry, come again. Why sure I can't hear you?
Illness. She said illness.
Oh, okay. Then?
Illness.
Kavita, how about you?
Fossil fuels.
Yes.
Illness.
Okay, well done, students. Okay, now I'm just going to do a short conclusion. Okay, to save the environment, first of all, we have to use less plastic, use biofuel, practice recycling, get used to two-sided printing. Am I right, students?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher. Correct.
Okay. To help save the environment, try decreasing energy and water consumption, changing your eating and transportation habits to conserve natural resources, and reducing, reusing, and recycling to be more environmentally friendly. Okay? So clear with that,
Okay, teacher.
students?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher. Clear,
teacher.
teacher.
Okay, now, I'm going to ask, how is your understanding based on today's lesson?
We understand that we should not use use plastic bags a lot.
Okay. How about the rest?
Then we must always keep the
Fish.
environment clean.
Me, teacher. We should not litter the river, our area we are staying. We should throw the rubbish in a proper place that they have given us, such as dustbin, like that. We should not
Yes.
throw everywhere that we want. So we
Good
have to
answer,
follow
Alisha. Okay.
the rules, teacher.
Okay, I'm going to go through a short Q&A session with you all before I end the class, okay? Okay, my first question is,
Teacher.
what are the benefits of keeping our environmental green and clean for our future generation?
Teacher, me,
Yeah,
teacher.
yes, Alisha.
So by keeping it clean, it will be better for us, for our health. We are doing it for our own good and also for others as well when we do it. So when we keep our area clean, no any disease will come near us. We won't get any disease such as dengue fever. Usually dengue fever is the most common illness or disease that will spread faster when we litter the place, when we throw the rubbish, everything. And we should not spill anything like oil in the river. So it will not be danger to the environment, such as living creature like animal, like fish in the water. So we have to keep it balanced for human and also as well as animal also.
Yes, but what is the benefit for future generation? By us keeping clean now, what is the advantage for future generation, the upcoming generation?
So
They can get clean oxygen.
Yes.
They will follow our footsteps. When we do that, they will follow it as well.
Yes. Anything else?
That's all, too.
Okay, now my question 2 is, give me 5 ways to keep our environment safe.
Reduce using plastic bag.
Follow the 3R.
Okay, yes. What are the 3 R's?
Reduce, Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Yes, correct, Jacinta. Anything else, students?
We should avoid the oil spill into river or in the drainage as well.
Yes, correct. Okay, now I'll move on to the last question. What are some of the challenges and benefit of companies being environmental conscious? In companies being environmental conscious, what are the benefits to us?
We can get clean water. Like
Yes.
if they don't dispose the chemicals into the sea and all that.
The workers,
Huh.
we will
And
have
avoid the air pollution.
Sorry, come again, Alicia. I can't hear you.
the workers will have a healthy working environment.
Yes, correct. How about you, Vaishu?
My answer is same like Jacinta, man.
Okay, okay. Any more answers? Okay, overall, based on your answers, I understand that you all have understand this topic well. Okay, that's all for today, class. We'll see you back in my next class. Thank you so much.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you,
Okay,
teacher.
see you all again. Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, teacher.